Hello guys, welcome to my Python tutorial. In this video, we'll talk about modules. What are modules? Their purpose and basic syntax to define a module. You might have used a few modules like math, time, numpy, pandas and so on. So why do we need them? If you quit from Python interpreter and enter it again, the definitions you have made such as function definition and variable declaration are lost. Therefore, if you want to write somewhat longer program, you may want to split it into several files for easier maintenance. You may also want to use a handy function that you've written in several programs without copying its definition into each program. To support this, Python has a way to put definitions in a file and use them in a script or in an interactive instance of the interpreter. Such a file is called a module. Definitions from a module can be imported into other modules or into the main module. The collection of variable that you have access to in a script executed at the top level and in calculator mode. A module is a file containing Python definitions and statements. The file name is the module name with the suffix .py appended. Within a module, the module's name is available as a value of a global variable name. For instance, use your favorite text editor to create a file called module.py in the current directory with the following contents: addition, subtraction, multiply, division. A module can contain executable statements as well as function definitions. These statements are intended to initialize the module. They are executed only for the first time the module name is encountered in any import statement. Each module has its own private symbol table, which is used as the global symbol table by all functions defined in the module. Thus, the author of a module can use the global variable in the module without worrying about accidental clashes with the user's global variable. On the other hand, if you know what you're doing, you can touch a module's global variable with the same notation used to refer to its functions. That is module name.item name. Modules can import other modules. It's customary but not required to place all the import statements at the beginning of the module or script for that matter. The imported module names are placed in the importing module's global symbol table. There is a variant of the import statement that imports name from module directly into the importing module symbol table. For instance, from module import addition. This does not introduce the module name from which the imports are taken in the local symbol table. So, in the example, module is not defined and subtraction, multiply, division is also not defined. Next we have from module import star. This imports all names except those beginning with an underscore. In most cases, Python programmers do not use this facility since it introduces an unknown set of names into the interpreter, possibly hiding some things you have already defined. Note that in general, practice of importing star from a module or package is frowned upon since it is often causes poorly readable code. However, it's okay to use it to save typing in interactive sessions. Now, if the name of the module is used more frequently in a program, you can assign an alias name to the module through which you can access its functions or variables. Import module as yum would effectively import the module in the same way that import module will do, with the only difference of it being available as m. In such cases, module is not defined and only m is defined. It can also be used in conjunction with from. From module import addition as add, which is similar to the previous case where addition function alone is imported as add. So that's all about modules in Python. See you guys on my next video. Thank you.